Today we're installing new steering stem bearings on our Dyna using the Motion Pro bearing race removal and installation tool. First step we need to do is remove our bearing cage assembly and bearings off of the race so that we can use the tool to pull the inner race off of the steering stem. You have to cut the cage to release the roll of bearings out. The upper portion, obviously simple, the lower portion a little bit harder to get to. Once you get it cut, simply stretch the race and the bearings and cage fall out. So today we're using our Motion Pro bearing race, steering stem bearing race removal installation tool. This tool is designed for removal and installation of your lower steering stem bearing. To get started, we've already removed our steering stem bearing race cage so that just the steering stem bearing race is remaining. And we're going to take our tool, slide it over top of the steering stem, and then take our 1/8" Allen key, evenly snug up the pinching bolts. And just tighten the bolt, and you can see the bearing race starting to move. Oops, sorry. Tightening the bolt till the bearing comes loose. And there's our inner bearing race. Now we're going to put our race simulator into the end of the tool using our 1/8" Allen key. Put our set screws back in. Our new bearing and race assembly with new sealing washer on the bottom. Simply slide the tool over the top of the steering stem using a dead blow hammer. Drive bearing on until seated.